Hello and welcome to the next lecture from this email marketing passive income course. In this lecture we are going to discuss about what is a clean email list and how to keep your email list clean. We have previously talked about how to optimize, how to track your key indicators. Now one of the crucial parts of having a very good email marketing business is having a clean email list which is very responsive and gets very good delivery rates. Now, a clean email list is a list that is always up to date, is very responsive, it has very low bounce rates, so most of the emails on that list are correct. It has very low spam complaints, so people know that they received your emails and they are glad about that. And you also get very low unsubscriptions. That means that people love your content and they are interested in what you are sending to them. You need to take some actions on a regular basis in order to keep a clean email list. This is an ongoing process that you need to focus on and pay attention to. So basically, this never stops with keeping your email list clean. Just like you are cleaning your house from time to time, you have to clean your email list from time to time. There are huge benefits of having a clean email list, as you see in your own business and as you will see in your own business. You have better engagement, you have better conversions, and a stronger relationship with your community of subscribers because you will only keep the ones who are actually passionate about your business, about what you are sending to them, and they are really your fans and your highest potential buyers. Some of the benefits of having a clean email list. You will get very low bounce rates. A bounce rate which is higher than 3 or 4% means that you need to clean your list better. This will also improve your deliverability. That means that more people will actually receive the emails you are sending. Increased conversions rate. If you have a clean email list, then very likely that list will be more responsive because those people are actually interested in your content and your promotions, and your conversion rates will be much higher than by using an email list which hasn't been clean in over 6 months. It will save you money. Depending on these services you are using, the email marketing or the autoresponders, you will pay less money because you are sending less emails only to the active subscribers. Let me give you an example. If you have a list of 50,000 people, but only 5% of them are active and read your emails all the time, that means only 2,500 people, then you are paying for 50,000 people and you are probably paying, instead of $20 per month, $200 per month. So it will save you a couple of $100 per month depending on the size of your email list. It will increase your return on investment. A clean email list not only saves you money because you send less emails, but also it will help you with better metrics for your campaigns so that you know how to segment your list, what your people are interested in, who to target, and what to send to them. Protect your sender reputation. If you have low bounce rates, spam complaints, and spam traps, you will have a higher sender reputation, which will help with your overall deliverability, and you will have a better sender reputation and more of your emails will get in the inbox of your subscribers. You will get better data insights. This one is very important. When you have a clean email list, you can get a better idea of how engaged your subscribers are with the campaigns that you send. How to keep your email list clean. Now, this is the important part of the process, okay? These are the things that you need to keep in mind. Eliminate invalid and outdated email addresses. Some people have email addresses for years now. They have to check them from time to time to see if those emails are still valid and used. Use an email service that captures your bounces immediately and stop sending emails to those addresses at next campaigns. You can use an email validation service or a cleaning software to do this. There are plenty of them out there if you are looking on Google. Eliminate unsubscribes. Stop mailing to people who have unsubscribed from your list. They don't want to get your emails. This will lower your spam complaints. This will lower your unsubscribe rate in time, and it will leave your list only with people interested in your promotions. Eliminate spam traps. Spam traps are decoy email addresses used to catch spammers. Okay, they are very often used by different services in order to catch spammers. You should not have this in your list, but if you do, eliminate them right away. Re-engage or remove inactive subscribers. Try to re-engage your inactive subscribers through various mailing campaigns. If that doesn't work, simply remove them from the list. Let me give you an example. Try to give your list a free resource. See if any of the inactive people are reactivated. Use segmentation. If you split your list into segments based on common elements like preferences and interest, you will get better results and a more responsive list, and you will be able to send specific campaigns to each of the segments. Reconfirm your subscribers from time to time. If you have big problems with your list, then this would be a good method to solve them. It will reduce consistently the size of your list, but you will have a new, clean, and very ultra responsive list. Now, thank you very much for your attention. That is what it means to have a clean email list, and you have seen a little bit about how to keep it clean. We hope this was helpful for you, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.